Hey, boy. All right, so we got this right here. This is a monthly client. Come here every month, do these. Pretty dirty, so I'm gonna rinse it off. And really, especially with these maintenances, you could actually just use one bucket. That's all I spent power washing all that. I'm just gonna eyeball it because I only got one hand. All the dirt. And then, actually, you know what? I am gonna use this. I'm gonna spray the whole car with that so I don't have to use that pump sprayer. Way faster. And I would recommend getting at least one of these little tiny ones because it'll, to step on that tire is way easier if you have this. If you are light, I'm 290 pounds, so it's a little struggle for me to get on those tires. So that helps me a lot. Look at that, clean. Don't even have to wash it. Just falls right off. That's why these are safer than microfibers. The dirt is just falling right off. Not even pressing down. Come on. Y'all want me to carry around a tank? Come on. "45 minutes. Done." Go trash out. He went ahead and added on his truck. We're just gonna do the interior today though. Minutes later. All right, so that was my maintenance clients. Now they're obviously a lot cheaper, but this is where I'm going. I'm headed into a maintenance business instead of just always looking for a new customer. I get new customers coming to me already without me even looking for them, so I'm just gonna retain them, charge a lot lower. But like I said, so I did that in and out as Cadillac. I did the inside and out probably in an hour and 40 minutes, inside and out. And then I did the inside of that Raptor truck in 50 minutes. So, you know, you do the math. So it's 120 plus 69, so 200 something. What is it? How many hours is that? So an hour and 40 minutes plus 50, 2 hours and 30 minutes. You know, 2 hours and 30 minutes, and I made what is it? 120, 210 bucks, and 2 hours and 30 minutes. I already know, and on top of that, I already know exactly what I'm getting into when I go to the job. So it's not like a new customer, got to do all this stuff and re-estimate, and you know, or it's not as it's worse off than you think. And then you know, you got to upcharge and the customer gets mad. No, these are the same customers that you see every time. You know exactly what you're getting into. And so it's just a better business model, in my opinion. It's less money, but you also don't have to focus crazy too much on the details either. You know, you're going there, the services, you are going to them, and you are cleaning their car, the thing that they don't have time for. You know, that chore that nobody wants to do. There's a few people that do that, and that's fine, they can go do that, but most people are too busy. So that's what you're charging. You're charging them a rate that the business can make money, the detailer can make money, and the customer has a service that pleases them because their life is too busy, or they just don't want to do that. So you don't have to focus too crazy on the details and things like that. All you got to do is just go there, wipe it down, clean the windows, vacuum, blah blah blah, this and that. It's nothing crazy. And so, you know, $210 in 2.5 hours, I'm good with that. And now that's money generated in the business. So, you know, that's, you know, it don't all go to me. But look, you're either going to run a business, and if you want to do this on the side, like a little side hustle, and you do it, then that's good money. Go out for 2.5 hours and make 210 bucks. $210 on a regular basis to the same person every month or every 2 weeks or every whatever. So yeah, so I'll make some more videos giving more details here and there about what I do, my business model, how I do things, what I charge, how I detail the vehicles, the ins and outs of the business, and look forward to making more videos.